What's going on, fellas? Today we're gonna make some Afro new jazz. Shout out to FROZY, shout out to 33 Nims. They're the ones that came up with this, so I'm gonna try to do something kind of in that style. Pretty much it. Let's get right to it. Yeah. So we're gonna do a faster BPM. Let's do like 170. Let's do 180. And I'm just gonna grab a key. I'm gonna grab a one shot. I'm gonna grab a piano one shot. Let's do this one. Why not? Let's set our envelope. Let's do something like that. And then I'm just gonna set my scale. Let's do like B minor. And first I'm just gonna lay out the bass line, and then I'm gonna build the chords from there. And then we count 3 down. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 up. 1, 2. All right. So now we have our bass line. I'm just gonna do like the rhythm here. So the rhythm goes like this. Yeah. Let's just pitch it down. All right, let's start building the chords now. I'm just gonna randomize the velocities. Command A and then Option R. And I'm just gonna strum them a little bit. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna put up a little bit of attack. Just to make the keys a bit softer. And now let's get that boom. Let's get a perk. Let's get a perk. I'm too slow. Instruments, bass, acoustic. Okay. What about this? So now we need to add a brass stab for like the ending of the chords. I'm gonna go to my one shot kit, and then let's just copy these last chords right here, and just hit Command C, paste it in here. You know the vibes. We need another saxophone, and we also need a lead. So I'm gonna use this saxophone or this trumpet from my preset bank, and I'm just gonna do like a 1-2 note. I think we're ready for the lead, and we need like a sign, or actually not a sign. Yeah, I think we need like a sign. Oh, we just gotta go over here to edit, and we just gotta make it glide and set this to mono. Yeah. I just want to get a better sound. Bro, I can't get this part right. Bro. So while my camera was cooling down, I just added a bunch of stuff. I added a new lead, added a new sax. You know what I mean? Just kind of went hard. But so I'm gonna show you piece by piece. I'm just gonna show you the brass, not the brass. I'm gonna show you, I'll show you the sax I added. catch the vibe. You catch the vibe. No. I'm gonna add that lead to the mixer, and then I have to bounce it just because I'm on like purity demo, so she keeps like fuzzing. I just want to fix this preset a little bit. Let me also do like another version of the lead. So I'm gonna bounce this lead, and then I'm gonna use it for the arrangement, just kind of like a separate section, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna just bounce that, just so I have like 2 sections. I think now I'm just gonna mix it, master it, and arrange it. So let's do that. My camera cut out. I just finished doing that side chain, and I just added this little intro part right here. This is the final beat right here. Just a bad ting bubbling. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. This video deserves a like, you know what I mean? Not even a like, it deserves a subscribe. Hit the sub, go follow me on Instagram at @mayze, follow UNDERDOGS.OOO. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. I might do a couple more in this kind of genre just because it's pretty fun. I just started doing it recently. This is like a second beat I made in the style, so yeah, let's just keep going, you know what I mean? It's like new jazz mixed with cookup, whatever it is. It's got that like island vibe, but it's still kind of new jazz at the same time. Just kind of different, you know what I mean? Switch it up from the typical new jazz stuff. If you guys want any of my kits, links are down below. I appreciate all you guys that do cop. Me and Me update is out now if you guys haven't got it yet, and join our Discord. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Crazy,